Today I'm making a smoking pipe out of last year's Christmas tree. This project is surprisingly easy to make and only takes about an hour to complete. I'll show you step by step how to do it. I know Norwegian spruce is probably not the best pipe making material, but for my use it will do just fine. For the record, I don't smoke and would never recommend it to anyone else either. This pipe is meant as a decoration only. That being said, I did have to test it to make sure it worked, for demonstration purposes to show that this technique holds up. After roughing out the log, I mark up the bowl so I have references when drilling the hole through the stem. This is the first time I'm trying this, and I did spend some time thinking of how to do it. I'm using a 4mm drill bit, the smallest diameter drill bit I could find long enough for this purpose. In hindsight, I should have made a support for the middle of the drill bit, as it is really thin and prone to bending. But after some very slow and nervous drilling, the hole is completed with the desired depth. If you have any better ideas on how to do this, I'd be glad if you'd write them in the comments. Now I can shape the pipe on the first axis. For this technique, the bowl has to be somewhat spherical in order for the process to work. If the bowl is not spherical, the hole for the bowl will be completely round and the bowl itself not. This would look strange in my opinion. It also helps when attaching the pipe on the different axes. Time to turn the opposite axis. I'm making a tenon for the jaw chuck first, so I can hollow out the bowl and finish the bottom using sort of a jam chuck as the final step. I'm always very careful when turning, but especially in cases like this. I make sure to keep the tool rest and my hands clear of the spinning piece, and not to lean in to get a closer look when the piece is spinning. That would, in this case, be quite painful, I imagine. And there it is. I'll finish the pipe with some natural, non-toxic Danish oil. Remember, if you plan on using your pipe, don't apply any oil to the inside of the bowl, and research what finishes are suitable for this application. Super fun project that only takes about an hour to make, and in this case prolonged the spirit of last year's Christmas tree.